everybody, it is me, your favorite host. And today we're going to be reacting to railways. Railways? Railway. Railway by BangChan. By BangChan, the leader of Stray Kids, the one and only sir we all love. Um, he is vice president. The president is Namjoon. He is the vice president, okay? Okay, the advisor, okay? But today we're going to be reacting to Railways by BangChan. Um, guys, Railways, name. Oh, hey. Railways, I only saw the preview of Railways on Instagram when he did a promotion for it. That's a wonderful video. I'll put it here. I'll put it under the description so you can go check out that promotion video. It's a good video. But yeah, let's get into this video. Railways by Chambin.
BangChan. I don't know why I'm saying
Chambin.
Chambin, but it's BangChan. Please forgive me.
Not same difference. Please don't kill me. I know that. I know that.
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you.
Is this a love song?
Join the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back.
Mafia.
To the railways.
Mobster, calm down. Oof, there's vocals. Oof. Ooh. Is he a vampire? He's a vampire. He's a vampire. Nice production. Hmm. Oh. They should put a disclaimer on this video. Oh, it's him. Who's that? I didn't see a future, so I was like, who is he gonna sing with? Okay. There's the vampire him and the angel him. Jesus never sleeps. Beautiful man. Beautiful, beautiful man. Is it? It is. Oh my. Oh my, that is Railway by Stray Kids BangChan. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Firstly, I want to say he's a gorgeous man. Very beautiful man. Okay. Secondly, it's a good song. Very catchy. I got it in the first try. Very good song. And I like the concept of him being a vampire. Very pretty. It's a little bit scary, Yana, but nah, I'm not scared of anything. Me, I read dark romance, okay? I read fantasy books, okay? You know, this Mr. Mobster slash vampire person here is right up my alley. So I enjoyed this video. I really did. Good production. There was a lot of things in this production. Okay. The zombie slash mommy dancing people, very good production. Like they were in a row. Very good production, very good set. Everything was nice, everything was set up, everything was planned well. It doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like they were lazy in anything. It looks like it was well thought out. Everything was so nice, everything was so well. The sound was good, everything was well. I'm very happy about this video. I like it so much. Mr. BangChan. You know, we all know you can pull some strings, Rihanna. There, come here to South Africa. Come here. We all appreciate you. I promise I'll come. I'll even pay 3,000 rand. Okay, 3,000. I don't work. Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna get that 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 rand. But if you come here, me, I'll pull some strings. Me. I don't know what I will sell. I will sell my room. I don't know, but I will sell my phone. Just come to South Africa, please. And yeah, because now I'm done begging. I hope you like this video. Say hi in the comments. And yeah, happy New Year's. Love you so much. Stay awesome and say sweet. Bye.